Hi boys, welcome the video how to fix error in Imperator Rome. First solution, let's go start or let's go search Windows and write CMD. Click right and select Run as administrator. Now write HPC scan now. Press enter and we finish process. Restart PC. Okay. Second solution, let's go description video and click link and select download. Select next. Open file and run application. Third solution, let's go description video and download week finish process. Open file, copy file. Let's go my PC. Let's go this local. Select Windows System, click right, paste, continue, click right, extract here. Okay, restart PC. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye boys.